Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Big Bumpa Duppy. Full story. A busman was driving one night looking for a nice body young lady to spend the night with. He turned a corner and saw a beautiful young lady. The attraction was instant. He slowed down to where she was standing. Her head was down, but her body looked fantastic. She was shaped like a Coca-Cola bottle, and she had a great future behind her. XXXY was an understatement. He asked her if she wanted to spend some time with him. She didn't answer. She just opened the bus door and sat inside. He couldn't believe his luck. She was just so attractive. She just a look upon me, use her hand to rub me neck back, and smile, he said. He pulled up in the guest house yard and decided that he wanted to buy a beer, so he turned around to ask the girl if she wanted a drink. His heart almost jumped through his mouth when he looked and saw that the bus was empty. Same time, his neck back that she was rubbing started to get hot and cold sweat start wash in. That's when he realized that she was a Duppy. The Duppy was a well-known street girl called Bumpa. Bumpa was from Mount Salem, and she was working on the strip along with some other girls. She was the new girl on the block, plus she was pretty, had a hourglass shape and a big behind, so she was hated because all of the men wanted to be her clients. One October night, as Bumpa came out to work, a bunch of girls surrounded her and knifed her until she took her last breath. A worker stated that because she met her demise so suddenly, she is still on the road picking up men at night time. R.I.P. Bumpa.
Like and follow for more.